Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're about to enable Face ID now. First, make sure your iPhone supports Face ID and iOS is current so features work reliably. Once ready, remove anything covering your face and stand in soft, even light. Open Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, then choose Set up Face ID. Follow the on-screen frame and position your face centered inside it. This begins the initial scan that trains your iPhone to recognize your unique facial geometry. Now you'll complete the two-part scan to capture depth and angle information. You should move your head slowly in a circular motion so the true depth camera maps your face from multiple perspectives. Once the first scan finishes, start the second scan and keep movement steady. This improves recognition accuracy. If you wear distinct looks often, add alternate appearance. Make sure attention-aware features match your preference, because that setting affects security versus convenience when unlocking and authorizing. Finish by testing Face ID in real conditions. Unlock at arm's length, while the phone rests on a table, and from slightly different angles to verify consistency. Enable Face ID for iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, Apple Pay, and apps you trust inside Face ID settings so you don't type passwords. If recognition fails repeatedly, tap Reset Face ID and redo the setup in soft, even lighting. This usually fixes errors caused by glare.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.